What's cooking? I'm Tabitha, and today I have something special for you. I'm challenging my brother Tate to a baked potato cook-off. The deal is, whoever gets the most likes and comments on their video wins. We all know that no one can beat a traditional baked potato, so that's why I'm gonna win. I already washed the potato with my hands because I didn't want to get all the vitamins off the potato skin because they have a lot of vitamins in them. So let's get started. First, I'm gonna poke a few holes in the potato so that we can let it breathe. So we're just going to poke about 8. It's going to be hard to put in though because it's not cooked. Now I'm going to put some butter on top and sprinkle some garlic pepper. Roll it up in aluminum foil and put it in the oven on 350, and we'll check on it again in an hour. It's been an hour, so I'm going to test it and see if it's ready. So let's peel off the aluminum foil and test it to see if it's ready. It smells so good. So I'm going to put a fork in it and see if it's ready, and if it comes out easy, then it is. Yep. I'm going to open up the potato, but I'm going to use a fork, not a knife. So we're just going to put some holes in it. I'm going to use a towel because it's hot, and I'm just going to push it open, and it'll open like a flower. For the toppings, we're just going to put some butter on it, and then sour cream. I don't really like chives, but I love basil, so I'm just going to use some basil and put it on here as a great topping. Take a look at my beautiful potato. I'm going to win. First, I'm going to mix it in a little bit and take a bite. So I'm just going to mix all the stuff together so it'll taste good. I'm going to take a bite of this winning baked potato. It's so good. Oh my gosh, I'm going to win. So remember that whoever gets the most likes and comments wins the challenge. So remember to comment on mine, and don't even watch my brother's. He's probably going to lose anyway, so... Oh, and remember to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next Tuesday as the winner of the Baked Potato Challenge.